Hi, let's learn how to draw root 3 on the number line. First of all, let's make a line. Okay. Now, in order to draw root 3, we need is root 2 first of all. So let's recall root 2. So in order to draw root 2, first we have to choose the scale, because if we take 1 centimeter as our 1, so that will be very small. So let's take 1 as 4 centimeter. Okay, so let's mark the points. 0, then 1 will be at 4 centimeter, 2 will be at 8 centimeter, and so on. Okay, scale work is done. Now comes how to draw root 3. So before that we need to draw root 2. Now in order to draw root 2, first we need to draw a right angle at 1 centimeter, at R1 basically. Okay, so I'll not draw using the compass and everything. I'll just create 90 degree like this right now. Okay, so I hope everyone knows how to draw that 90 degree using your compass. And now let's measure 4 centimeter first of all. All right, now we'll mark a 4 centimeter point. Okay, and join these 2 points. So that gives us root 2. Why? Because this length is 1, this length is also 1. So if we apply the Pythagoras theorem in here, we get this as root 2. Okay, and we can get this on number line by measuring first of all this length. Okay, and then tracing it down, okay, on the number line. So that gives us root 2. Okay, this point is root 2. Now what you need to do is draw another 90 degree at this root 2 point. Okay, this point. Okay, so we need to create another 90 degree here. Okay, why? Because the idea is, if we draw a right angle triangle in which you have a base of root 2 and height as 1, when you apply the Pythagoras, you'll get root 3. Okay, so again, I'm not going to use the compass to draw 90 degree. I'm directly drawing it, but remember that you need to draw using your compass. So 90 degree here. Okay, again, and again, since you need the measurement of 1, now 1 is our 4 centimeter, so I hope the compass is at 4. No, it was not at 4. I need to measure again 4 centimeter because we have chosen the scale like that. Okay. This is our 4. Let's lock it. And now again we need to mark another point of 4 centimeters. So I'll make a cut. Okay, so now again we got our height as 1, the base acts as root 2, and let's join these 2 points. from the 0 you need to join this point, and now you can see I have created a triangle which has root 2 as base, 1 as height. So this is root 3, the green line, but again you need to trace it down on the number line. So in order to do that, place your compass, measure your root 3 and okay, trace it down. Now that point is root 3. Okay, so in order to draw root 3 you have to draw root 2 first, so that automatically revises your root 2. I hope this is clear. Go through the video once again, try to do it by yourself with the video. Okay, that's it for this lecture. See you in the next class. Good day everyone. Bye.